This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast. First, gather your essential ingredients for a delightful breakfast. You'll need some fresh bread, a few eggs, milk, and a touch of sugar. Don't forget vanilla extract and a pinch of cinnamon to elevate the flavor. Also, have butter ready for the pan and your favorite syrup for serving. This simple list sets the stage for a perfect morning treat. Now, let's create the delicious batter that coats our bread. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs until they are well combined. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of milk, mixing it thoroughly. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This aromatic mixture is the heart of your French toast. With your batter ready, it's time to dip and cook. Take each slice of bread and quickly dip it into the batter, ensuring both sides are coated but not soggy. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the dipped bread in the pan and cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your homemade French toast is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately while it's warm and fluffy. You can customize it with your favorite toppings. A sprinkle of powdered sugar, a handful of fresh berries, or a generous drizzle of maple syrup are all fantastic choices. This delightful dish is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a sweet dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.